Good afternoon guys. Today I'm doing an unbox video, show you my new iPhone 12 Pro Max that I brought this morning from Apple Store Marina Bay Sands. Here we go. This is the new iPhone 12 Pro Max that I brought from Apple Store at Marina Bay Sands. Okay, so let's unbox it. Ooh, Pacific Blue. See? Pacific Blue. Sure. Okay. This time there's no adapter, no earpiece. There's only a USB-C cable line for you to charge. Lightning, USB-C head. Okay. Cut it without there. So I'm going to apply screen protector for my phone soon. This is my brand new iPhone 12 Pro Max from Apple. Pacific Blue color. After I apply screen protectors case and screen protector from tempered glass. Shiny blue, right? Goes